Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above and you can search about Pinterest. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pinterest. If you find update here, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.